Hey everyone, want to use your phone as a webcam on your computer? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect DroidCam to your PC using either Wi-Fi or a USB cable. So let's jump right in. First, launch the DroidCam app on your Android phone or iPhone. Then open the DroidCam client on your Windows computer. Yeah, make sure you've already installed both applications before continuing. For the easiest setup, connect both your phone and computer to the same Wi-Fi network. If you prefer a more stable connection, you can also use a USB cable. You know, USB usually provides lower latency, while Wi-Fi gives you more flexibility. Now, look at the DroidCam app on your phone. You'll see a device IP address and a DroidCam port number. Enter those exact details into the matching fields in the DroidCam client on your PC. Take a moment to make sure the numbers match exactly. Before connecting, choose whether you want video, audio, or both. Leave both options enabled if you want to use your phone as both a webcam and microphone. I mean, you can always change these settings later if needed. Finally, click Start or Connect in the DroidCam client. Within a few seconds, your phone's camera should appear on your computer. Yeah, once you see the live preview, DroidCam is successfully connected and ready to use in Zoom, Discord, OBS Studio, Microsoft Teams, and many other applications. And that's it. You've successfully connected DroidCam to your PC. Now you can enjoy better video calls, meetings, or live streams using your phone as a webcam. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the